This is the OMB warehouse kit for the EX and the BT mini bikes from Coleman. I was able to get this by reaching out to Eric directly. Shout out to Eric from Grey Goat Garage. I'm excited about this because I have the U and the EX, and the EX hasn't had a torque converter on it. So this has the sleeve. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's in it. Looks like some of the stuff fell out of the packaging. Shipping. So we got this little box here, which is going to be the torque converter. Cover. So the interesting part about this kit is it's using the adapter sleeve, so I don't need to swap the motor or swap the crank. I'm not one to do extra work, not necessary. I'm a fan of the Hisun 196cc, just because I don't have to swap it and do work. So this is the extra, this is the piece, the sleeve. Feels like a good quality piece, and this is going to convert to a 1-inch drive, which should be in here. So you got a torque converter cover, torque converter plate. It's all pretty standard stuff. Similar to the U kit. The riser plate for the engine. Again, great quality. I had zero issues with the kit that I bought for my U, and I expect the same. Pretty straightforward install. From what I understand, this is going to go under the seat of the EX. I'm not sure if it's different for the BT, but that'll be nice, so I don't have to worry about burning myself. Ordered a couple master links. So you got the exhaust. And muffler, standard muffler. And then this came out of the packaging. Nice spark plug. The chain. So this is the right size, so this will just go right on there. This is just for my other stuff, go-kart and other mini bike. All the hardware. Adapter. These are gaskets for the exhaust. That feels nice and snug. So that's cool. We got the filter. And an upgraded carb. I think that's it. The rest is trash. Yeah, that's it. So I'm excited. I'm excited about the kit, but that's it. Pretty standard stuff. Besides this, not this. This again, the sleeve that's just gonna convert. Looks a lot better than the stuff you can buy on eBay for pretty cheap. This is included with the kit, which is I think it was like $279. And I like to just buy kits and just support when I can because it's easy. You just get everything you need. You don't have to worry about fitment. It's all tested. So I'm sure this is going to work out perfect along with everything else. That's it.